You know, there's only one thing better than a keto mug cake. Guess what it is? Welcome to the Keto Baking Mechanic, where we create, tweak, and enhance keto and low carb breads and baked goods, including keto low carb sourdough, my passion and my business. Hi, I'm Shari Mac. I'm 64 years old and I lost over 70 pounds about 15 years ago doing a flexible keto lifestyle. Not a diet. Don't believe in diets. Please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be informed when I have other videos coming down the pike. And you always get the recipe link in the description. So guess what's better than a keto mug cake? A keto strawberry cheesecake mug cake. Woo! It is so delicious. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start by adding our egg. Now remember, you can also do this in a mini blender or with an immersion hand blender as well. So I'm going to add the cream cheese. I soften the cream cheese in the microwave for about 10 seconds. The sour cream. Okay, so there's a secret ingredient to this keto strawberry cheesecake mug cake. You know what it is? It's the sour cream. I tried to make it with yogurt. I tried to make it with other different ingredients. It's just not the same. So I think what happens is when you add the cream cheese with the egg, it takes on more of an egg-like taste. But when you add the sour cream, which is also tangy, it heightens the flavor of the cream cheese. So it truly tastes like a keto strawberry cheesecake mug cake. And I'm just going to give this a little bit of a blend. Okay, next I'll add the vanilla and the powdered sweetener. You want to go with the powdered sweetener because a granular sweetener will make the cheesecake taste grainy. So we want to avoid that. And I'm just going to get around the edges here. Also, be sure to check out my playlist called Sweet Tooth because you'll get lots of delicious sugar-free keto lifestyle recipes, cookies, everything. Check it out. Okay, so I'll just leave this for a moment, and now I'm going to just grease our ramekins. This one recipe makes 2 cheesecakes, and we'll just coat the ramekins with some avocado oil. You can also use spray. The only spray I have at the moment is a olive oil, and I don't want the taste of olive oil in my cheesecakes. I'll divide the batter between the 2 of them. And I'm going to mic each one separately for 1 minute. If it's not quite ready, I'll mic them in 10-second intervals because we want the center to be a little bit moist and the outside done on each one. Okay, so there you have it. Both cheesecakes have been microwaved exactly 1 minute, and now I'm going to put them into the refrigerator to cool before we eat them. In the meantime, I used a pound of fresh strawberries and I put them into a pot on the stovetop on simmer with a half a cup of my granular sugar, and I've made this beautiful, very inexpensive fresh strawberry jam. So we're going to top our cheesecakes with this once they've cooled off. Okay, so our cheesecake has been cooling in the refrigerator. I'm just going to flip it over onto our plate. There we go. Straighten it out a little bit. Okay, so let's try this keto strawberry cheesecake mud cake. Oh, so cheesecake. I don't know what else to tell you. It's absolutely delicious.